Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. As you know, I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba, and I'm your Forex hero, giving you the knowledge about Forex trading and giving you advices about risk management. So, today I'll be discussing just a quick way or just a simple way of trading in 2023. Just a simple way, just to show you just about how you can be able to capitalize on the market, just like we do. So, if you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Please click the like, click the subscribe, and the notification bell so that you get notified every time we drop a new video. This channel is made for you, and the support of this channel, it's all thanks to you. So without wasting much time, grab your pen and paper. Let's go into the charts. Yes, we're back on the charts, guys. Today I'll be showing you just a quick way and also showing you guys how we're able to capitalize on this move. Can you see this move happening on gold? We were able to capitalize on it. We had our long position. I want to show you guys how we managed to get this long position and why it was sufficient for us to be able to capitalize on this move. Because one thing I realized is that if you can check, we look at this point, we have the last bearish candle, which now became a significant area, showing us, giving us an order block, showing us that yes, indeed, the market has a potential to reverse around here. Just one of the quick ways or one of the skills that I've learned with over time that you can be able to apply and be able to get your sniper entries. So we had our entries right here when this candle bullish closed. We know that, okay, fine, if we are buying, we buy here, and then our stop loss has to be below here. We gave it a little bit of movement and pushing. So right now we are still in the trade. We moved our stop loss into profit. So let me show you how we're able to capitalize on this. As you know, we start from a higher time frame. Higher time frame is able to assist you in understanding and also starting from a bigger picture and going into a lower time frame to understand what is currently happening. So how would you know that you are supposed to buy at that point? You wouldn't know from a higher time frame, but by understanding, putting your trend lines into place, understanding and see where the market, the nature of the market, understanding the impulse move that you are anticipating, and also looking at the fact that are you in a corrective manner or you are looking at capitalizing in a impulsive way. So one thing I'll show you is that, let me remove everything. Okay, fine. The chart is mostly clearer when it's clean. I prefer clean charts. So I'm on a daily time frame. As you know, this is just a way whereby we start from a higher time frame, we go to lower time frame. I prefer starting from a daily. So I had this move. If you can recall, in most of my videos, I said as long as the market is still above here, we're gonna buy. You understand? We're gonna buy because we have not had a movement like this showing us that we are changing direction. So as long as you have your movement still above this yellow trend line, you can only buy. Okay, the minute it breaks and retests, that's when now we'll start to have a new line, and then now we'll have this kind of movement, and then now we can only sell. As much as we want to see setups that are showing us that you can buy and sell, but you have to understand the trend. Let's follow the trend in the market. So let me remove this. Hope it is clear. Take notes as I go, and can also replay the video to understand with ease. So you can see we are still above here. Then I'll just take this one, put it here, because we are expecting the market to push where you can see the market touch this point. Let me change color. Okay, you can see the market pushed here. It came here, and now it came, touch here, came here. We have a chance of reversing up to touch here before we can go to come to this trend line. But also remember, if we break here, because this looks like the higher high. As you know, with the market, what we do is impulse correction. This will be your correction, impulse. Okay, fine. Let's go further and look into how we can be able to get our moves. Go to 4-hour time frame. Coming to 4-hour time frame, as you can see, I'm seeing movements, and I'm gonna try by all means to make it simpler as possible for you guys. Can you see what happened here? We had a correction, and then a move to the upside, another one, will be this one, and much better, this one broke, this one pushed, retest, but do you see? So you can see that at this point we had our retest. And also, how would you have known the last bearish candle here? You can use this one as your order block. Then you can see we have a chance of coming back here. You can see even here it came back to retest here again, giving us a double bottom. Fine. Another one, look what is currently happening. The last bearish candle, what did we do? We pushed, came back, double bottom, boom. So I'm on 4-hour time frame. Also remember that with this one, you can see the last one that I would use and that we used will be this one. The market pushed up and then retest, boom. You understand? Also, our another confirmation that we had was this one, correction. Go to 1-hour time frame. So you can see at this level we are having this move. Let me draw it in the way it is. This is what we had, and then you draw your line. Okay, but the significant area is to your left hand side. Where do you see the order block? Because now we have an impulsive move. Now we want to see where it will anticipate to turn. So because it can just turn anywhere, and once it breaks here, we have a clear confirmation that yes, indeed we are pushing to the upside. So that's just one of the 2023 strategies. I hope this year all of you guys will be taking part in trading and making sure you capitalize. And for some of you can make an extra income, and some of you, when you take it very serious, you can be able to make it your primary income. So look at what is currently happening here. We're having a rejection candle. So I look at it having a chance to push to the downside before we push further to the upside. So looking at what happened here, I can say the retest here happened because if you look here, look, we are having this area. So we pushed and then retest, and also this retest is outside this yellow trend line, which is something that happened around here. If we're using this, something that happened around here. So the market pushed, yes, and then came, bounced. You understand? So this is just one of the skills you should apply in understanding the movements that are happening. Okay, so I don't want to have a dirty chart, so I'm glad most of you are able to ask questions in the comment and also suggest the topics that you like me to take. So my utmost TP, my last TP is here, understand? But also remember, the market won't always reach your TP. So take what the market is giving you. When we are at this point, we have trail stop to below this candle.
Trail stop please.
Okay, by simply saying that, we are saying if the market decides to push down, we are kicked out, but we are in profit. We have made profits from this particular movement. And if it decides to push further, we'll create another correction, giving us what is it, giving us a chart pattern. Then we'll know that my next buying will be here. It's possible that the market can come back here to retest. So this last bearish candle is the one that's giving me this order block. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait. If it pushes, then my stop loss will be below this low point, because I don't expect the market to push further to the downside, because it has shown that it's stronger to the upside. So we have to continue to move to the upside. If it breaks here, then I'll wait, and if it hits my stop loss, I'll also wait for other trades to materialize. I'm glad you guys could join in. I hope you took notes. If you didn't understand, replay the video, take notes, apply what I use, and thank me later. Click the like, click the subscribe, and the notification bell. Share with your friends and families. Don't be greedy, guys. Trading is meant for all of us. We all can make money from the market. Peace.